What's in my gadget bag? Today I'm sharing 5 essential tech accessories I actually use. They're all compact, budget-friendly, and under 25 bucks. If you carry a tech kit for work, travel, or just surviving coffee shop Wi-Fi, these picks might earn a spot in your bag too. So let's dive in. Now here's an unsung hero of tidy bags. The portable cable organizer case keeps your charging cords, dongles, and earbuds from forming a Rat King-like tangled blob in your backpack. It's got elastic loops and mesh pockets to keep everything in place, and it's slim enough to fit in your laptop sleeve or side pocket. The iSysfix SIM card adapter kit, try saying that 5 times fast, lets you switch SIMs between phones, test devices, or travel-ready burners without dealing with "oops, wrong size" drama. It comes with adapters for nano, micro, and standard SIMs, plus a SIM ejector tool, all in a little carrying case that fits anywhere. I also carry the iFixit Moray toolkit. It's tiny but packs 32 precision bits and a solid little driver in a compact case. It's great for fixing loose screws, electronics, game controllers, basically anything that would otherwise require a sad trip to the junk drawer. It's the kind of thing you forget about until you really need it. Whether you're filming, following a recipe, or just want a comfy viewing angle, this foldable phone stand gets it done. It's height and angle adjustable, folds flat, and works with nearly every phone or small tablet. Honestly, it also feels way sturdier than you'd expect for the price. This dual-slot USB-C card reader is perfect for photographers, bloggers, or anyone juggling micro SD cards. It reads SD and micro SD cards at USB 3.0 speeds, works on phones, tablets, and laptops, and doesn't require drivers. It's plug-and-play, pocket-sized, and saves you from fishing out a bulky reader when you just need to grab a file. So that's what's in my gadget bag, 5 low-cost tech tools that make everyday life smoother. You can find links to each of the items below, along with a full write-up at budgettechpicks.com if you want extra photos or details. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what essentials you never leave home without.